Hello and welcome. I'm Imran from 9to5Host.com. In this tutorial, let's install WHM and cPanel in AlmaLinux. I have already set up a VPS which is running on AlmaLinux. To double check, I would like to cat OS release file. Here we go. Once I hit enter, as you can see, the name is AlmaLinux and the version it is running on is 8.6. This confirms that we are on the correct OS. The next thing I want to do is to run yum update command to update packages of this OS. Once I hit enter, as you can see, we don't have many dependencies. The OS is up to date. Now I want to install the other dependencies which are required for cPanel and WHM. So I would run a command yum install telnet curl perl and net tools. I forgot to do -y option, but okay, that's okay. And as you can see, all the dependencies are now installed. To double check if the dependencies are installed or not, I would just run a command curl, and as you can see, as I didn't provide any additional options, it thrown an error, which means the dependencies are now installed. I think now we are ready to install cPanel and WHM. For that, I would run a command curl or latest. This is nothing but we are downloading the latest script from the cPanel servers. Now that the download is finished, if I quickly run a command ls to see what all the files, as you can see, we have the latest, and I would want to change the chmod to make it executable file. As you can see in the above result, the OS has treated it as a file. Now in the below result, it has changed its color, which stating that it is now an executable file, and I would just sh and / and execute it and wait for cPanel installation. I'll skip video here and I'll get back to you guys once the installation process is. As you can see, the installation is now finished. The thing what I have observed is it took 17 minutes. That is kind of unusual for WHM and cPanel installation. I could see there were a lot of missing files, which cPanel did a validation and installed a lot of files during this cPanel installation process. Okay, this is the discussion for another video maybe. Once the cPanel licensing part is done, once I get into the WHM, if I scroll to the right side, and you can see the OS information here, and the operating system it is running on is AlmaLinux. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.